Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. So guys, today I'll be attempting some soft locks on myself. As you guys can see, I've already started one lock just to test it out. I got the locks in the length 24 inches. I already pre-parted my hair, don't mind the crooked part guys. So I'm just sectioning the front from the back. I'm just applying the wax to the roots of my hair so it gets slicked. Guys, I was having some trouble here because I was still getting familiar with the process. So y'all, the back is finished and I was already feeling myself. Now on to the front, y'all. Guys, just the mind told me to check the time and it was 1:39 and I had to go to work in the morning. Time to wrap and boom! So now I'll go step by step with you guys. So guys, I just applied wax at the root of my hair so that I have a good grip. Then I started braiding my natural hair like normal until I reached about half the length of my hair. Then took one strand of my hair and put it through the loop of the lock. Then I joined that strand to another one and continue braiding as normal.
The way she would pop you, man, you would think she's a veteran on remembrance. Cleaning lady, sweep the room daily for all the evidence, everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she got no furniture in her crib.
When I've reached the end of my natural hair, I just applied wax at the end and then wrap it around the lock. After wrapping my hair, I just make sure it's secure enough. Okay, now I'll go a little slower for you guys. So I'm just applying wax at the root of my hair. Then I'll separate the hair into 3 strands and start braiding it. So guys, I was separating my hair in 3. Yes, I'm having a little trouble because my hair is a bit knotted, but I'm just separating it in 3 so I can start braiding it. So I was braiding until I reached half the length of my hair. Then I took 1 strand and put it through the loop of the lock. So I'm taking the lock and I'm putting 1 strand of my natural hair through the loop of the lock. And then join that strand to another to make 1. And now I have 2 strands of natural hair and 1 strand of lock, and continue braiding as normal. Okay guys, now we're moving on to the wrapping part. So I use spring twist here and crocheted it in at the root of my plaits using a crochet hook.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us.
So I pulled the spring twist here until one side was significantly shorter than the other, and took the long side and started wrapping it around my natural hair and the lock. When I reached the end, I wrapped it around my thumb and made a knot, and continued wrapping my hair until no hair was left. Then I palm roll the end of the spring twist braids on the locks to seal it and blend. Okay, guys, I'm finished. I can't express how happy I was to finally finish because it took so long and I was tired. I started around 8 in the night and finished after 3 in the morning. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that. Bye.